Service has issued Tornado Watch number 379, effective until midnight Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Wisconsin: Columbia, Dane, Greene, Iowa, Lafayette, Richland, Rock, Sauk and Vernon, and Stevenson, Illinois. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
I just got the thing while I was right.